Now, UAE residents have already rallied round to provide help for their communities back home. And joining me to discuss those relief efforts coming out of the Emirate is Muhsin Al Banna, who is the General Secretary of the Pakistan Association in Dubai. Sir, how are you? Thank you for joining us on Microsoft Teams.
Thank you, Georgia. Thanks for having me.
It's an absolute pleasure to speak to you, and I imagine you must be very worried about the situation back home.
It is. It is. I think these are one of the largest. In terms of the impact, these are probably the biggest floods in Pakistan, impacting a wide areas of geographies around Sindh, Balochistan, southern Punjab, and KPK provinces. And the footages have been heart-wrenching, Georgia. You know what we've been seeing in the last couple of days.
Really has. I mean, we've seen thousands of people have had their homes swept away. They've been left destitute. As our reporter from the area, Zia, just told us, people are living on the roads when they're in the countryside because those are the sort of last areas that have not been flooded. What type of response have you had from the community here?
Yeah, we have been in the last couple of days, more than a week or so. We have been inundated with queries from our members and the way residents to look for avenues, how they can help, how can they be part of relief activities. We have been working very closely with the authorities, our regulators, Community Development Authority, the charities in Dubai, our charity partners, Red Crescent and Dar al Bir, and our missions in UAE to look for provisions and approvals so we can have a proper avenue, where people can join and support these relief activities.